And this that we have is Duncan with the hiccups. It's pretty cute. Can I zoom?
Yeah.
The plus sign. You got it.
You, sir, are adorable.
Hi, Duncan. Hi, Duncan. Hi.
Your whole
You
body
kind of have the
shakes.
hiccups, my friend.
Oh.
Epic. We got hiccups and a sneeze on the same video.
That was rough.
That's pretty awesome, dude. Duncan is 4 weeks old today.
A whole month.
Almost. Can't wait to see how much you've grown when we go see Dr. Siller on Friday. Mom bets it's a lot.
It is going to be a lot. I can tell.
Big strong boy.
Hi.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh. Talking to Dad.
Yeah.
We're talking to Dad tonight.
Are we watching the fan? Is that what we're doing?
That's okay. Still telling you about it, Dad.
Oh.
Whoa. What do you see, Duncan? Your eyes are very wide.
Hi.
There was a smile for Daddy. Is that your first smile, Daddy?
I think it might be.
Aww.
First full smile.
Yeah. What a
Yeah.
pumpkin. What a pumpkin you are.
Thanks.
Talking
Aw.
and smiling and hiccuping and sneezing.
Productive couple of minutes.
Mm-hmm. It's a lot for a baby. Maybe you'll sleep well tonight.
Would be nice.
I don't know. I don't know if I believe it. Duncan.
Here, Mommy.
Mommy loves you.
Here, Mommy.
Mommy loves you so
Oh.
much. You gonna talk about it? Girl. Goo. Oh, oh. Making noises.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Got a lot going on. Oh,
Oh,
and a
big
yawn.
yawn. It's rough being a baby. Alright, Pumpkin. I'm gonna stop taping you, but we love you. We love you.